Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum, welcome back. We are now going to find the volume of a region bounded by the two curves. This is case number 2. So let's read the question first. Find the volume generated by revolving about the x-axis, tapi we have a curve. No, we don't. We have two curve. We have two curve, which is this is uh this is linear curve, while this one is apa ni? We have this senyum, C inverted C, no C shape, C basic shape quadratic curve. Okay. So basically two curve dalam soalan kalau dia bagi dua curve bermaksud ni adalah case number 2. So actually by practice lah, lama kelamaan you akan nampak oh ni case 2, ni case 3, ni case 1. Okay. It's okay, don't worry. Kita sedang belajar. Alright. So here we go. Before we go to sketching graph, we will need to find the point of intersection. So I have ready for you all this thing. I have found the points, got 2 points of intersection where I equal them both. Okay, warna hijau ni adalah the X. Okay, this is saya jadikan X sebagai subjek, saya akan dapat 2y minus 3. Another one here, saya jadikan X sebagai subjek, saya dapat y squared over 4. Okay, so that's why here you akan nampak berlainan sikit lah sebab saya sudah pun rearrange them so that I calculate them in terms of y, and so I got y value. Kali ni saya cari y value dulu. Lepas tu saya dapatlah x value. So both coordinates here successfully been found, and so this is my 2 coordinates there. So you guys boleh guna cara you all. This is my cara. Okay, and then second step is just to sketch and shade. Okay, we are going to sketch it and then we shade the region that we want. And then here we go. This is the graph, the two curve, where this is the C-shaped curve. The C-shaped curve sort of like quadratic tapi dia bentuk C. So this is a positive y squared punya graph. Okay, kalau negative y squared punya graph dia berbentuk C terbalik, inverted C. Okay, and so this is my this is my linear. My linear here, saya jadikan y sebagai subjek untuk senang saya melukis. Itu je. Pada asalnya the y is 2y kan. So I jadikan y pula sebagai subjek so that I can know the intercept there. And so yeah, I can know the intercept that this is 1.5 there. 3/2. So it was just easier for me. So this is for me, okay? I repeat, this is for me. I would say this is easier for me to make it this way, okay? You might have your own way to draw, but this is one of the best yang saya rasa senang semua orang faham. And so if you look here, the region, I shade the region here adalah di antara dua curve tersebut, which is I already shaded for you guys, and I think you dah faham kot after you learning the area of a region from my previous videos. I think you already mahir dah kot. Kalau case 2 ni, it's always between the two curve. So the only shaded region is only here, guys, right? The only shaded region is between the curve. And so we are very good at it already. So I don't have to explain further, right? And cumanya kita just kena tahu siapa yang curve atas, siapa yang curve bawah. Dan siapa yang patut tolak siapa? Adakah Y2 tolak Y1 ataupun Y1 tolak Y2? So ini persoalan yang semua orang kena betul-betul fahamkan siapa yang tolak siapa. Okay? Before I go deeper, I think I need to highlight this one. It is revolving. It is bounded by the x-axis. Okay, so volume, specialnya volume ni dia akan sentiasa bagi tahu kita tentang rotating or revolving about the x-axis. So dalam soalan ni dia bagi kita dia rotate dekat mana. So dia rotate dekat x-axis bermaksud tanpa ragunya volume kita, the V will have the integral of dx. Okay, tanpa ragu-ragu. Kita sudah pun tahu dia punya integral akan dalam berbentuk x. Okay, it will be in terms of x. Therefore, the middle function will be the y function. Okay, so this is the moment that we want to go deeper into the volume, right? So here we go. Let's solve this. Find the volume. So now I would use it the v volume, v, and then I prepared the volume. I prepared the integral with dx. Kenapa x? Because of what? Because the rotating is about the x-axis. Sebab itulah kita pilih x, dx, okay? And then here the limit should be x, okay? Cumanya you kena apa? You kena tahulah di manakah the area of the region is. So the area of region say that the limit is from the 1 and until 9. The limit is from number 1 until 9 sahaja. Okay, and so you put 1 and 9 here. Okay, so now that is our volume. Dan saya dah tulis pun limit dia. Okay, just that volume, the core thing about volume is that we must have pi, and also what do we must have? We must also have bracket squared. Hang on. Bracket squared. Tapi oops, kenapa ada dua double bracket squared? Kenapa? Okay, sabar dulu. And then I want to put minus. So this is the volume between the two curves. The volume between the two curves is very, very special. Why? Because we have two curves. Two curves mean two function, guys. So the function here is y1 and y2, but we are not sure yet sama ada siapa yang tolak siapa. Itulah persoalan dia. We do not know is it y1 minus with y2 or y2 should be minus with y1, right? Tapi my point right now here is you mesti hafal formula ni. Okay, you must memorize this formula. Hafal di mana case kedua dia akan ada dua curve, therefore dia mesti tolak something minus something, okay? And then selain daripada itu, volume mesti ada pi dan volume mesti ada squared. Kalau ada dua function akan ada dua squared. Okay, bukan salah satu je yang ada function, tetapi dua function akan mempunyai the squared there. Okay, please remember these things. Okay, sekarang ni kita berbalik kepada siapa yang patut tolak siapa. So now saya letkan yang curve atas ini, saya letkan dia function, saya letkan dia function y2. So warna hijau ni, saya letkan dia sebagai function y2. I name it. Okay, this is just naming, alright. Ni hanyalah nama ya. Y2 is just a name. Hanya nama function tersebut. Tak ada maksud lain melainkan nama sahaja. So warna hijau ni adalah y2. Saya yang assume it. I'm the one who assume it. So it's my choice, okay? So now I let my y1 is the linear. Okay? And so ni adalah y1. The linear is the y1. I let it as the y1. Saya yang pilih, okay? My choice. Okay, and now as you know that the curve atas akan tolakkan dengan curve bawah. Okay, curve atas akan ditolakkan dengan curve bawah. This is curve bawah, okay? So make sure you baca di antara dua POI ni sahaja. So this is our point of intersection. Make sure you read the curve atas ini adalah di antara dua POI ni saja. Jangan baca di luar-luar ni. Tak nak baca di luar POI. Saya cuma nak baca curve di dalam, di antara point of intersection sahaja. So this is called as curve atas. So curve atas akan ditolakkan dengan curve bawah. And so y2 will be minus with y1. And so I can label it, my y2 will be minus with y1. Will be minus by the y1. Okay, tak muat. Saya letak sini. dekat sikit. Okay. And so please harap semua orang fahamlah apa yang saya sedang cuba sampaikan. Curve atas tolak curve bawah seperti mana yang sudah pun saya ajar di area of a region in my previous video. Okay, sama je konsepnya. Cuma yang membezakan volume ni kita mempunyai the pi and now also the square for each function. Okay? So you don't need to be panic lah sangat-sangat. Okay je. Konsep lebih kurang sama. And so we are ready to integrate this. We subs in the value of the limit. And then what do? We masukkan the y2. The y2 is the y squared. Okay, this y squared, this function is already in terms of y squared. And in fact, this is named by y2. Okay, kita nak letak ni ke dalam integral kita. And kebetulan function sudah pun squared. Jadi tinggal ambil 4x saja. So, subs in the 4x there. Tak perlu buat apa-apa sebab 4x is already equals to y squared untuk y2 ini. Okay, so tak payahlah tukar apa-apa. And then minus it with the y1. So our y1 is this thing. So my y1 kita akan squarekan dia. So make it this bigger. And then I put a square there. Okay, seperti yang kita perlu follow formula, kita kena squarekan dia. Jangan takut. And then kita tutupkan dengan dx. So that is your 1 mark, guys. Okay, pemilihan function mesti tepat. Siapa tolak siapa mesti tepat. And in fact, the function is y. Benda ni lah yang student struggle, I would say. Student having a difficulties to find the correct function and then to rearrange it according to function that we want. Benda ni by practice lah. The more you practice, the more you getting better in choosing the correct function. Okay, so do more practice, do lots of times. Okay, barulah you nampak, oh ini bendanya rupanya. It's not that hard anyway. Okay, and so I almost there. I just need to expand this. Walaupun ini dalam bentuk fraction, saya tetap expandkan dia. Saya tak panik. Kita tenang dan kita expand dia sebab ni squared. And then kita rearrange, we simplify this. Dah habis simplify, barulah kita boleh integrate. Bila dah integrate, dapat satu markah. And then kita subs in value, dapat satu markah. Dan jawapan akhirnya adalah 64 per 3 pi unit cube. Dapatlah satu markah lagi. And that's it. That is how the finding the volume between the two curve.